Hey guys, welcome back once again to the Online Hustle Guide TV, and today I'm going to be taking you through or introducing you to another website that can make you a lot of dollars. This company is called OneForma, a very wonderful website wonderful website or company that's going to give you quite a number of opportunities to perform simple micro tasks that will earn you a lot of money. Remember, in one of my past videos I told you that for you to have a UHRS account you need a vendor. OneForma is one of the vendors that will give you access to work on the UHRS platform, so I know you must be excited by now. But before we proceed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and comment. Let me know how you feel about the content, or any other thing you could say about the topic. So let's get straight into it. This is OneForma. It's an American company that is going to pay you for performing micro tasks. So what is going to happen is you will have to sign up if you're going to be working with this company. You see, these are OneForma platform for online, remote, part and full-time jobs. So you're going to be signing up using your email, phone number, and whatever they are going to ask you for. Reminder, if you're going to be working for this company, you must have a Payoneer account. I will be coming and helping you setting up a Payoneer account and teaching you how to set up a Payoneer account, because if you have Payoneer you can receive money from Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, Africa, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, all over the place you can receive money using Payoneer. So that's very important. So we're going to come here. I already have an account set up, so I'm just going to be taking you through. Let's go. So I will straight away go to my account. This is how it looks. OneForma. Different languages will be needed here. This platform is universal, meaning it doesn't matter your demographic or your location, you will be having access to this platform, and you will be enjoying the benefits of this platform all over the world. They have projects or jobs that can be performed all over the world, both full-time and part-time jobs. So you have to be very excited about this website or this company. So OneForma, that's how it's called. So when you come here, probably you're done signing up, you might be taken to your profile, So after you're done with your signing up, you're going to be coming here to the certifications. Why is this very important? There are certain certifications, without them you cannot apply to any job. I'm going to be giving you an example. Jobs are here. So if you go to jobs are here, those are applied jobs. Jobs are here. But if you come to these jobs, and for instance this one, you click on these jobs to view more, you're going to realize something. You see, there's something called required certifications. Now lucky enough, this job does not require any certificate, but look at the amount of money that is paid per approved hit. It's 1 cent. Now you're going to come into situations where you're going to need certifications for particular jobs. I'm going to be showing you here. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, let's check on this. Audio book voice talent. You see, you will need a certification called Welcome to OneForma, and they are paying $50 per hour. So you see, this is a very big job. You see, but for you to be able to apply for this job, you're going to need this certificate. So the first thing that you're going to do before you proceed, you will come to the certification area and you will do certain certificates. Now I'm going to recommend a few. Now there's Welcome to OneForma. That's a must. Everyone should do it. It's called Welcome. So please don't be intimidated. If you're kind of person that is living around Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Burundi, Rwanda, Central African Republic, Congo, so this is a kind of job that you can do. You see, this is how it is. It's called MOTDTTS, voice judging. So these are jobs that I applied for. They are still in the pending. You see, they are still under review. So this is another job that I applied for. I'm waiting and very excited about. So I'm saying don't be intimidated, because all places will be covered. If you're in India, Bhutan, Nepal, you know, Pakistan, Afghanistan, whichever country you are in, this platform is universal and you will have something to do here. Now, another thing that we have to be very excited about this platform is going to be the UHRS. You see, I told you in one of the videos, if you've not watched it, please go back and watch it when I was teaching about the UHRS. Now, you see, UHRS, the Universal Human Relevance System, this system here has a lot of money to make, but you cannot access it without having a vendor. And I told you that one of the vendors for this platform is UHRS. So you see, let's go to UHRS here. A big opportunity for you to make a lot of money. Now, if we go to UHRS, you see, hey, do you have a UHRS account yet? Now, they will be showing you how to create a UHRS account, benefits of working with UHRS, extra income, work anytime you want. Now, right now in my place, I'm in Africa, so it's 2 a.m. in the morning, and I can assure you that right now I can open up my UHRS account and start working. Let's give it a try. If what they're saying is true, you see, this is my UHRS account. Come here, you see all these jobs are available. I can simply start working. This is, let me check out this. Okay, the hits are a little bit low, meaning they have all been leased out, you see. But when you come here, you see this is available with 487,200 hits available. That's money, and 2 cents per hit, you see. So it's early morning, but surprisingly the jobs are available, meaning with the UHRS platform you're going to be working anytime that you want. You see, let's go back here. So they will be taking you through the steps which you will need to basically apply. So after you've read that, you will come down here and apply. They will show you the requirements. Now, part of the requirements is you must have done the certification that I showed you in the beginning, the UHRS certificate. That's very important. You must have it if you're going to be working on UHRS. So you're going to be coming here, apply. I applied for this already, so I don't know what they're going to be bringing here. Of course, I applied for this, so they will be bringing this. You see, they will give you everything that you know. These are simple steps. Go to my profile, my identities, Microsoft account. Once you introduce a valid Microsoft email address, it can be MSN, Hotmail, or Outlook. So you see, all these are requirements. Go through this, create a UHRS account, and start earning money from UHRS. So you see, that's the beauty of OneForma. OneForma is a vendor, a UHRS vendor, and there's a lot of money to be made here. A lot of money, I can assure you. UHRS is one of my biggest sources of income as I work online, you know. And there's not many vendors that will give you this opportunity, but OneForma will give you that opportunity to work with UHRS. So coming down back here, They have a community. If you want to ask questions and you want to join, their community, you can always come here and join this community. That is if you're interested. I know why it's taking long to load. Let me check it out again. Community. I don't know why it's not loading. Okay, so this is there. The forum is under maintenance, yeah, but this is a place where you can ask questions, get in touch with other judges, and get to know other people working with OneForma. And like I told you, you can work with this platform if you're coming from any place around the world. So it's a universal platform. They pay very, very well. Normally at the end, their payment cycle is they pay from 25th of the next month. That's how they count their month. And they are one of my biggest sources of, they're one of my biggest people that give me good money. So I would recommend them 100%. I'm going to be putting the link in the description of this video. Please, before I close, I'm kindly requesting you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share the videos, and please get in the comment section and let me know how you feel about these videos that I'm doing as of now. So this is OneForma. Money is waiting for you here. All you have to do is invest time, learn, understand how to use the platform. Now the mode of payment, the means of payment here is you must have a Payoneer account, and I will be showing you how to create a Payoneer account, and I'll be giving you the links on how to create a Payoneer account on this video as well. So thank you so much once again for being available. I don't take your presence for granted. Please follow the video. Make sure you understand. Let's earn together. God bless you. See you next time.